Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. But before I do that, I have a little bit of cold in the middle of summer. The weather is crazy right now. It's cold and raining, windy, and we are basically in the middle of summer. But this is British weather for you. So if my voice is not the usual, I apologize for that. Let's go with this unboxing. So this is the brand Pepe Jeans, which is a London-based designer brand. Their main business is basically in jeans. They make very nice jeans, and lately, or for the last few years, they've been making fragrances as well. They have few fragrances in their lineup. I unboxed and reviewed at least about 5, maybe 6 of them before, and for the price they are quite nice. So this one, when I saw it, it came out a few weeks ago, and it's called Pepe Jeans So Bold. Pepe Jeans So Bold. So as always with Pepe Jeans, the presentation is quite nice, especially for the price, under £30. This is Eau de Perfume, aimed for men. And United Kingdom, you can find it around £30 or so. Retails, I think, for £45, but you can always find it a little bit discounted here and there. But at the moment, because it's very new, probably you won't find it that much discounted. Sorry about the noise when you do that, you can't do anything about it. So here we go. So bold, Pepe Jeans. Attention to details is nice, and on top we have the details and everything. The box is quite nice in the hand and the eye, and the bottle, oh my goodness, the bottle is very nice. So look at the bottle, beautiful, very nice bottle. Quite heavy. It's got like this metal effect on it, and I'm guessing you press it here, probably. Anyway, so it's a cylinder. It's quite nice. It's got like this. How do you do this? Anyway, so let's see. Let's see the atomizer. The atomizer is okay. It's not bad. It's not, but it's okay. It does the job. So far so good. The presentation is very nice, especially for the price, under £30. And here we go. Woo! It's very strong. It's filling the room, filling the house. Oh my goodness. Here we go. First impression. This is Pepe Jeans London, and this is So Bold, and it's Eau de Perfume, 100 ml, and it's aimed for men. Just came a few weeks ago. It came out. Okay. Woo! Aromatic. So the first thing that hits me is the aromaticness of it. It's quite fruity, aromatic, watery, aquatic. Little bit of the woody feel to it as well. Definitely big lavender in here. So you need to like your lavender first and foremost, because this is the first thing that hits me. Quite a big lavender, and the lavender in here is very well done. It's very nice. Smells quite natural. Smells quite nice. Woo! It's a big aromatic. So first thing first is aromatic. Very aromatic, and the aromaticness is come from lavender. But I think there is more than just lavender. I smell something like violet leaf as well. So the combination of violet leaf and the lavender making it super inviting. Very uplifting, very mysterious, and also very aromatic. Definitely it's got a herbal feel to it. Herbal, green, leafy, and I can smell something herbal in here, definitely after the aromatics. So it's after aromatics, herbal as well. Yeah, it opened up quite fruity and citrusy in the meantime. I can smell something like bergamot, lemony, and it's very bright. Right now it's quite bright, and it's very good for summer. It's very fresh, it's very friendly, it's one of those DNA. It's very appealing to the mass, is a mass appealing, is a crowd pleaser, and it's an easy going. So it's not anything that challenges you whatsoever. It's very, very friendly DNA in here. Okay, so let's bit of orangey feel to it as well. Apart from bergamot and the lemon, it got a little bit of zestiness which is coming from the orangey feel to it as well. So a little bit orangey, but I can smell something like apple in here as well. A little bit fruity, appley. Definitely I smell something like tonka bean in here, giving it a little bit of nuttiness, and also the sweetness. The sweetness is mainly coming from tonka bean. Maybe there is a vanilla in here as well, but it's just quite sweet. For the first impression, between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 6 or 7. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. Little bit of soft leather in the base. Not huge, but it is there. It's a little bit of leathery, soft leather, mainly similar to suede more than leather. But overall, this is very bright. This is very happy, very quite sweet and aromatic and citrusy, fruity right now. Watery, definitely aquatic feel to it. But is it salty? Hint of saltiness in here, not much, just minimalistic in terms of so it is aquatic, and also a little bit of saltiness, but not too much. So overall it's quite aquatic as well. So aquatic, so first thing hits me is the aromaticness, which is very, very big. It's a combination of lavender and violet leaf, making it super aromatic. Second thing is the citruses that are quite big. I can smell lemon, bergamot, and also a little bit of oranginess. And also after that is the woods, which is a cedar, combination of cedar and sandalwood. It's very, very clean in the base. Overall, this is a very, very clean fragrance. It's quite clean, it's quite fresh, it's quite friendly, it's very, very uplifting. The DNA is very, very friendly, and as I said, very, very crowd pleasing, and is not going to offend anybody. And also a little bit of green herbal feel to it overall. Aromatic, green, herbal, aquatic, woody, tonka bean. So the DNA is quite familiar, is nothing new here, but it's done very well. It's constructed quite well. Smells that somebody put it together, that they know what they're doing here. Although the DNA is been done before, but because people who put this together, they know exactly what they're doing, it smells very nice and very appealing, and you smell it and you smell well blended fragrance, well constructed, well put together. And also the ingredients, for the price, it smells very good. So the ingredients are quite good and they smell very nice, especially the aromatics are very, very nice in here. It just smells natural, which is crazy. Yeah, so what to take from this first impression? Absolutely yes, yes, yes. For first impression, this is a beauty in a bottle. Reason, it's done before. Yes, it's very friendly, it's very crowd pleasing, it's very fresh, it's very quite sweet, aromatic, green, aquatic, fruity, and all these things are they have familiarity, at least to my nose. Exactly what it is they're going for, maybe they're inspired by something, I'm not sure. In the next video I'll let you know if I remember something, but right now I can't pinpoint anything. But it is in the vein of DNA of aquatic, fresh, aquatic, quite masculine, sweet, fruity. Doesn't have bubblegum. No, there's no bubbleguminess in here. So there's sweetness, but there's no bubbleguminess. So it is in that vein of masculine, fresh, sweet, green, aquatic, aromatic, herbal, sweet, woody, watery, aquatic fragrance. Okay, this is the for the first impression. Yes, The DNA is very nice, it's very easy, it's very good for summer, which we don't have at the moment in the United Kingdom, although we are in the middle of summer. So this is very good for summer. This is very fresh, very friendly, very uplifting, very inviting, very happy. So if you like this kind of fragrances, most likely you like it because of the price. Price is very good, or around £30 or so. Is accessible, is affordable, and it is quite available. You know, I just researched it before I come to this review, and it is quite accessible and it is available, at least in the United Kingdom. In your country, Google it, see if it comes up if you're interested, and see how much it goes for. But for the price I paid for it, around £30, this is very, very good, very nice. Let's see the performance. If the performance is anything good, then we have a bang on our hand, especially if you like a friendly, fresh, sweet, aquatic, woody fragrance. Okay guys, if you who's it for? This is ageless, from 18 to 180, no problem. It's very friendly. In terms of season, as I said, it's better suited for warmer weather because it's quite fresh. And for occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, evening, daytime, formal occasion, special occasion, casual, anything you want. So very, very versatile. In terms of sex, although it's aimed for men, to me this is very unisex, bang in the middle, anybody can wear it, woman and men, no problem, as vast majority of fragrances and perfumes out there are unisex. So this is no exception, this is unisex. If you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. As simple as that. Forget about the marketing, this is all BS, don't fall for it. So smells very good. For the first impression, yes, I'll give it 2 thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video, which I will give you the update for this nice and fresh and friendly and uplifting and happy fragrance. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. And this looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do so. They're out of this world, super artistic, ultra besmoked, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are one of the highest quality perfumes you can get for the price. They are beautiful, mysterious, artistic, unique, and there are 20 of them in my lineup, and they're all different from each other, and they are different from whatever you see in the market, because nobody dares to make perfumes like this anymore, and I do it because I'm passionate about these things. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, nobody else is involved. They're all handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.